Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to circumscribe your circle on a triangle. First of all, we are going to be drawing our straight line. So this is going to be our length AB, which is going to be 85 millimeter. So we pick 85 millimeter. That's our length AB, 85 millimeter. So we are drawing our triangle. So we are going to pick our length BC, which is 80 millimeter. We are going to be using our compass to pick that. So we pick 80 millimeter on the compass. This is 80 millimeter. So we place it at point B. Since it is BC, 80 millimeter, we mark this point, and our point AC is going to be 90 millimeter. So we have our point AB as 85 millimeter, our point BC as 80 millimeter, and our point AC as 90 millimeter. So we are going to be picking point AC, that's 90 millimeter, on our T-square also. So we have picked that 90 millimeter. We draw this. So this is our point C. So we are going to be joining the line. This point AC, this point BC. This is obviously an isosceles triangle. So this point is 90 millimeter and this point is 85 millimeter. So for us to circumscribe our circle on this triangle, we are going to be dividing these lines, any of these lines. So for this video, I'm going to be dividing line AC and line BC. So now let's start. We draw line BC. Take your compass. You make sure it passes half of the line, then bisect like this and bisect like this to this point. Place it at point C also. Bisect like this, bisect like this. Is obviously not touching it, so we extend it. Bisect like this, bisect like this. Now take your compass to point A, bisect like this, and take your point past here, bisect like this, and also bisect it back way like this. So you are going to be joining this point and this point together. I'm going to be joining this point and this point together. So we have it like this, and we also have this point and this point together like this. So this point, we are going to be calling it our point O. So it is from this point we are now going to be drawing our circle we are going to be circumscribing our circle on this triangle, because this point is the center point of this triangle. So this, we are going to be calling that point our point O. So from point O to any point, whether point A, B or C, I'm going to be using C in this video. So we are going to draw our circle. Is going to pass through the points, the 3 points of the triangle. So that is how to circumscribe our circle on our triangle perfectly.